Well, we could already see that customers were facing challenges of needing to be more agile, bring more flexibility to the deployment of the IT infrastructure, finding that the business was starting to go to public cloud services itself and develop a shadow IT function. So it was very clear that we had to be able to offer something that would deliver them more agility and flexibility. We could see that the historic boundaries between managing the different elements of an infrastructure, the server, the storage, the network, traditionally managed by different teams, by different people, was starting to create barriers to being able to deploy more quickly and to be able to deploy with more agility. So the emergence of the software-defined elements of these infrastructures was of huge interest to us. We looked at horizontalizing, for example, the software-defined network fabric spread across the entire data center. But in the end, we felt that because of the emerging nature of these technologies, that a single stack would be the way to go. So we wanted to have a single storage, network, compute, with the necessary security and firewalling and things like that. So when VMware acquired Nicira, it was an obvious choice as their existing partner that we would look at doing a fully integrated stack solution with VMware. The core ones are over the flexibility and agility, the ability to provision whole environments, or blueprints we call them. Sometimes you could refer to them as application blueprints, through a single selection, through a service catalog that can be exposed to users. We can put workflow around that to make sure the right approvals are in place, and the whole thing can come with built in with the right security, the firewall settings. Micro-segmentation is something we can do if you need that level of security to separate applications. All of that's hidden from the user. So from a user perspective, they're just saying, I want to run my application now. At the same time, yes, obviously we need to offer something that's affordable, makes commercial sense. But I would see or expect to see something like 10 to 15% reduction in CapEx and probably up to 30% reduction in OpEx of the underlying infrastructure compared to traditional, for essentially standing up something that's more agile and more flexible than it ever was before.